Joining a Zoom meeting for the first time is very quick and easy to achieve. First of all, you need an invitation to join the meeting from the host. It will probably come to you by email and look similar to this. The invitation will contain all the information you need, including the name of the host, the subject and the date and time of the meeting. There will be a link for you to click to gain access to the meeting, and below that a password. If the host decides that you need to use that password, you will be prompted to do so. Now simply click on the joining link. Your browser will open and Zoom will download a small file that will allow you to access the meeting. When prompted, click Save. Go to Downloads and click to open the file. If the meeting has yet to start, you will be taken to the meeting waiting room. You will be asked to insert your name. Now click Join the meeting. A thumbnail of your image that the host will see is now displayed for you. If you're happy, click Join with Video. You will be told that the host is about to let you join the meeting. And you're in the meeting. It's as easy as that.